Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab, your go-to place for simple and practical technology tips. In today's tutorial, we'll walk through how to mark a text message as unread on Android. This feature is very useful when you open a message but want to come back and read or reply to it later. Marking it as unread helps you remember that the conversation still needs your attention. Open the Messages app. This app is where all your SMS and MMS conversations are stored. From here, you can view, send, receive, and manage all your text messages in one place. Next, scroll through your conversation list and find the message thread that you want to mark as unread. Once you locate the conversation, tap and hold long press on the message thread. This action will select the conversation and reveal additional options at the top of the screen. After selecting the message, see the menu bar and tap on the More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots. In the menu that appears, choose Mark as Unread. Once you tap it, the conversation will immediately be marked as unread and will usually show a bold title or notification indicator reminding you to check it later. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. Stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials and Android tips designed to make your digital life simpler and smarter.